In this video, we will discuss the basic concepts of time, speed, and distance and questions on basic concepts. We know speed is equal to distance upon time. If a man covers 55 km in 5 hours, the speed is 55 upon 5 is 11 km per hour. How to find time? Time is equal to distance upon speed. In what time can a man cover 120 km at 60 km per hour? Time taken would be 120 upon 60 is equal to 2 hours. If you want to find the distance, you need to multiply speed with time. Suppose you need to find the distance covered in 3 hours at the rate 35 km per hour at the speed of 35 km per hour. You need to multiply 35 with 3, that is 105 km. So these are the basic concepts you must know to solve questions on speed, time, and distance. But one thing you must remember, while you divide distance with time to find the speed, the distance must be in kilometer, time must be in hour, you'll be getting the speed in kilometer per hour. Similarly, if you want to find time, we are dividing distance with speed. If the distance is in kilometer, the speed must be in kilometer per hour. Or if the distance is in meter, the speed must be in meter per second. All the units must be in the same system. Let us discuss basic questions on these concepts. All of you must know 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, 1 hour is 60 minutes or 3600 seconds. If you want to convert 1 kilometer per hour to meter per second, 1 kilometer you know 1000 meter and 1 hour is 3600 second. But if you cancel, you'll be getting 5 by 18 meter per second. So 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. Suppose you need to convert 36 kilometer per hour to meter per second. You need to multiply 36 with 5 by 18. That is equal to 10 meter per second. Similarly, if you want to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, you need to multiply 18 by 5. If it is asked to find to convert 108 kilometer per hour into meter per second, we need to multiply 108 with 5 by 18 to get the answer 30 meter per second. Or you can remember this relation, 5 meter per second is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. I repeat, 5 meter per second is equal to 18 kilometer per hour, and the multiple of 5 is the multiple of 18. For example, 10 meter per second would be 36 kilometer per hour, 15 meter per second is equal to 54 kilometer per hour, 20 meter per second is equal to 72 kilometer per hour, 25 is equal to 90 kilometer per hour, and 30 meter per second is equal to 108 kilometer per hour. Suppose you are asked to find 108 kilometer per hour to convert to meter per second. 108 is 6 times of 18, so 6 times of 5 is equal to 30. You don't have to multiply 5 by 18. So this conversion is very, very important. All of you must remember it to solve questions on speed, time, and distance. Suppose you are asked to find to convert 22.5 meter per second into kilometer per hour. General method is to multiply 18 by 5 to get the answer 81 kilometer per hour. But you can solve it very easily by just adding 54 and 27. How 54 and 27? Guys, 22.5, all of you must be knowing 15 plus 7.5. 15 meter per second is equal to 54 kilometer per hour, and half of 15, that is 7.5, half of 54 is equal to 27. This is how we will be getting 81 kilometer per hour. I repeat, 15 is 54, 7.5 meter per second is equal to 27 kilometer per hour. This is the shortcut method to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour to meter per second. Let us solve some basic questions. Suppose you are asked to find the speed when the bus covers 10 kilometers in 12 minutes 30 seconds. You have to look at the units used in the option. In the option, you find the units are kilometer per hour. So We need to find the speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 10, time is 12 minutes 30 seconds. So 12 minutes 30 seconds is same as 12.5 minutes. When you convert 12 minutes, for example, to hour, it should be 12 by 60 hour. 12.5 minutes to hour, that is 12.5 upon 60 hour. So that I've done over here. Distance is 10 divided by 12.5 into 60. The answer would be 48 kilometer per hour. While solving these questions, you need to keep in mind the units must be same, what is given in the option, and how to solve it quickly. Many students try to convert this in seconds, then kilometer to meters, then it will take too much time. Look at the option, then solve accordingly. Another question. Suppose it is asked, in what time can a boy cover a distance of 400 meters running at 72 kilometers per hour? In the option, you see the time is given in second. So we know time is equal to distance. Distance is given in meters and speed is given in kilometer per hour. You need to convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second. As I told you, 18 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 meter per second. 72 is 4 times of 18. So 4 times of 5 is 20. 20 meter per second. Right? So if you solve, you'll be getting the answer as 20 seconds. Instead of doing this by multiplying 5 by 18, 20 meter per second, you can do it in your mind. If you understand 5 meter per second is equal to 18 kilometer per hour, 72 is 4 times of 18, so 4 times of 5 is 20 meter per second, and you can easily convert this and hence get the answer as 20 seconds. I hope you understand this concept. Time, speed, distance is very important for all the competitive exams. Students commit mistake while solving questions because they don't understand the units. These are the basic concept. I'll gradually move to some questions which has already appeared in the exam. Let's solve this question. What distance in kilometer is clearly mentioned? Can a bus cover in 10 minutes 30 seconds running at 90 kilometer per hour? Options are given in kilometer. Is asked to find in kilometer. So speed is given in kilometer. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is already given in kilometer per hour. Time must be converted to hours. 10 minutes 30 seconds again 10.5 minutes upon 60. So by cancellation, we'll be getting the answer 15.75 kilometer is the answer. Another question, easy question. In what time can a boy cover a distance of 180 kilometer running at 15 meter per second? Options are given in hour. So convert the 15 meter per second to kilometer per hour, that is 54 kilometer per hour. So 189 divided by 54 is equal to 3.5 hours. This kind of question are appearing in the exam, and you need to know these basic concept to solve this question. This question you will find in all the books because this is a previous exam question. This is still coming in many exams. A flight is delayed by half an hour and therefore it increases its speed by 250 km per hour to reach its destination 1500 kilometers away on time. Find the original speed of the flight. Guys, to solve this question, you don't need any formula to solve. No method is required. It's a basic concept. This question will be solved on the basic concept what we have discussed so far. Distance is given as 1500 kilometer. Let's take the original speed is x. The new speed is x plus 250. If we make the equation 1500, this is 1500 is the distance. This is the speed. You will find distance by speed is equal time. Here distance by speed is equal time. The difference of the time is half an hour. And if you try to solve this, it will take a lot of time. Never ever solve a question where x is asked and that x is there in the option, apply option. If you look at the first option, if I put x as 250, 1500 by 250 is equal to 6 hours, and 250 plus 250, 500 is 3 hours. 6 hours and 3 hours, the difference is 3 hours, but the difference is half an hour given. So this option is eliminated. Similarly, if you put 500 in place of x, this is 3 hours and this is 2 hours. 3 hour, 2 hour difference is 1 hour. This option is also eliminated. 1000 if you put, you will be getting fractions. Put 750 instead of 750 in place of x, sorry, you'll get here 2 hours and this is 1.5 hour. The difference is 0.5 hour. See, this kind of question will be solved by this approach only. There is no other approach. So by hit and trial method, x is equal to 750. The answer is 750, the original speed of the flight. And this is a previous question. This question will find in all the books. Similar question. A car covers a distance of 715 km at constant speed. The speed of the car would have been 10 km per hour more, then it would have taken 2 hours less to cover the same distance. What is the original speed of the car? Same question, different data. Let the original speed is x. Original speed of the car is equal to x km per hour. The new speed is x plus 10. By applying options, if you apply the first option, that is 45, it's not divisible. How will you get to know? See, 45 is a multiple of 9. This 715 is not a multiple of 9. To be a multiple of 9, the sum of the digits must be not multiple of 9. So this is not divisible. 45, if you put 50, again you will get fraction. About 55. 55 is a multiple of 11. Is it a multiple of 11? Yes. And 5, 12 plus minus 1. So if you cancel, you'll be getting this is as 13 hours. And here it is 65, you'll be getting 11 hours. Difference is 2 hours. So applying options, will be getting the answer as 55 km per hour. So this kind of question will be getting the exam. To solve this question, you don't need any method. You need to understand the basic concept. Time is equal to distance upon speed, and apply options to get the answer. If you understand these concepts, then you can build on this concept to solve difficult questions. I hope it is clear to all of you.